A very special recipe in my family is one that my sweet wife Jennifer used to make for practically every holiday when our family would get together. Here is what you're going to need: a half stick of butter, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese cubed and softened, 1 can of whole kernel corn, 1 can of cream-style corn, 1 box of corn muffin mix, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Start by melting half a stick of butter and cream cheese over low heat and mix until everything is smooth and beautifully blended. Next, crack 2 eggs and lightly whisk. This recipe is part of our family's tradition now, and continuing to make it is one way we honor and cherish her memory. Next, add your butter and cream cheese mixture into the bowl, followed by 1 can of drained whole kernel corn, 1 can of cream-style corn. Here I like to go ahead and mix a little bit before adding the corn muffin mix. Mix it all thoroughly. Lightly mist your 9x13 dish with cooking spray and then pour in the mixture. Next, add a generous cup of shredded cheddar cheese to the top. Bake it at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or until it's golden brown. And there you have it, Jenny's corn souffle. Enjoy.